A broken or stuck zipper on your suitcase can feel like a major inconvenience, especially when you're in the middle of packing or traveling. Don't worry though, this is often a simple fix that you can handle on your own. Let me guide you through how to fix a zipper on a suitcase step by step so you can get back on track without too much hassle. First, assess the problem. Is the zipper stuck, misaligned, or completely separated? Each issue has a slightly different solution, but most are straightforward. For a stuck zipper, the culprit is often dirt, debris, or fabric caught in the teeth. To resolve this, start by inspecting the zipper closely. If you notice fabric or threads caught, gently pull them out using tweezers. Next, apply a lubricant like petroleum jelly, soap, or even a pencil's graphite to the zipper teeth. Move the zipper, pull back and forth a few times, and it should loosen up. If the zipper is misaligned, where one side of the teeth isn't matching with the other, you'll need to realign it. Start by opening the zipper as far as you can. Then, manually align the teeth by pushing them back into place with your fingers. Once aligned, firmly press the zipper slider, the pull, back onto the teeth and test it. This method is a quick way to solve how to fix a zipper on a suitcase when misalignment is the issue. For a completely separated zipper where the teeth don't connect at all, the slider is usually the problem. Over time, it can loosen or wear out, causing it to lose grip. To fix this, grab a pair of pliers and gently pinch the slider on both sides to tighten it. Be careful not to overdo it, as too much pressure can damage the slider. Once tightened, try moving the zipper back and forth to see if the teeth engage properly. Sometimes the slider itself is beyond repair. In this case, replacing it is your best option. Zipper repair kits are readily available online or at local hardware stores. To replace the slider, carefully remove the old one by cutting it off or sliding it off the end. Then, attach the new slider, ensuring it's the correct size for your zipper. This process is a foolproof way to tackle how to fix a zipper on a suitcase when the slider is the main issue. Lastly, if the zipper tape is torn or frayed, a bit of sewing might be necessary. Using a needle and strong thread, stitch the tape back together or reinforce weak areas. If this feels beyond your skills, a local tailor or luggage repair shop can easily handle it. By following these steps, you can often resolve the issue on your own and avoid the cost of replacing the suitcase. I hope this guide helps you understand how to fix a zipper on a suitcase and saves you some time and frustration. Happy travels!